Filipino, Maguindanao. Filipino is the national language of the Philippines and serves as a standardized form of Tagalog, one of the country's major languages. It is based on Tagalog but incorporates elements from various Philippine languages, as well as foreign languages such as Spanish, English, and Chinese, reflecting the archipelago's diverse linguistic and cultural heritage. Filipino is used in government, education, and media, promoting national identity and unity among the Filipino people. As a language, it continues to evolve, adapting to modern influences while maintaining its roots in indigenous traditions. Maguindanao is an Austronesian language spoken by the Maguindanaoan people in the southern Philippine region of Mindanao, particularly in the province of Maguindanao and parts of Cotabato and Sultan Kudarat. It belongs to the Danao language family, including Maranao and Iranun. The language has been shaped by centuries of Islamic influence and contact with neighboring languages like Cebuano and Tagalog. Due to the spread of Islam in the region, it features loanwords from Arabic and to a lesser extent from Malay and Spanish. Maguindanao plays an essential role in preserving the oral traditions, epics, and cultural heritage of the Maguindanaoan people, and is used in everyday communication, education, and local governance. Isa, dalawa,
dua,
tatlo,
talo,
apat,
pat,
lima, anim,
nam,
pito, walo, siyam,
siyaw,
sampu.
10.
Ama namin, sumasalangit ka. Sambahin ang ngalan mo.
Ama nami alo sa surga, magsimbani ngalan ka.
Mapasa amin ang kaharian mo, sundin ang loob mo dito sa lupa para nang sa langit.
Nakauma sa pandatwanan ka, paritayang ka siya sa dunya, manalo sa surga.
Bigyan mo kami ngayon ng aming kakanin sa araw-araw.
Hindi kami sa inyagay, kanulidziki nami.
At patawarin mo kami sa aming mga sala, para nang pagpapatawad namin sa mga nagkakasala sa amin.
Ampong kami kanudusa nami manabun, so kapagampon nami sa panggula sa kadupangan sa kami.
At huwag mo kaming ipahintulot sa tukso, at iadya mo kami sa lahat ng masama. Amen.
Tando kami kana sa kakapira na palangay uged iwatang kami kanu kasaitan. Amin.